Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I will be juicing blood oranges, apple, with a hint of ginger. I'm very excited to bring this juice to you because this is a new juice that was presented to me by the queen of the house. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but I expect that it will be delicious. So anyway, guys, let's get into this juice. Once again, it's blood orange, apples, and ginger. You know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one. And before I go anywhere, guys, just do me a huge favor. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe. Even the bell notification so you can know every time that a video drops. So let's get into the juice. All right, there you guys have it. Blood orange, apples, and ginger. Ooh, to a new year. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.